The Sony A7V has generated significant excitement among photographers and videographers, thanks to its reputation as a cutting-edge full-frame mirrorless camera. Building on the success of previous models in the A7 series, this latest release introduces a range of enhancements for both enthusiasts and professionals. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the camera's standout features, design improvements, and performance upgrades to help you determine if the A7V matches your creative ambitions. Focusing first on design, the A7V maintains the ergonomic excellence of its predecessors, now offering a redesigned grip for increased comfort during long shoots. Its magnesium alloy body is lightweight yet durable, and enhanced weather sealing protects against dust and moisture for reliable outdoor use. These refinements provide a secure, comfortable shooting experience, seamlessly leading into the camera's advanced imaging capabilities. Central to the A7V's performance is its new 33-megapixel Exmor CMOS sensor, which delivers outstanding sharpness and detail. The expanded dynamic range preserves highlights and shadows, while refined color reproduction produces vibrant, accurate tones. With a native ISO range from 50 to 204,800, the camera excels in low-light environments, ensuring clear, noise-free images across a variety of shooting conditions. The upgraded autofocus system features 759 phase detection points, covering 94% of the frame, providing precise focus across nearly the entire image area. Real-time eye AF has been enhanced to reliably track eyes, even when subjects wear sunglasses or masks. With continuous shooting at up to 12 frames per second and full AF/AE tracking, the A7V is well suited for capturing fast-paced action in sports and wildlife photography. Turning to video, the A7V delivers impressive capabilities with 8K recording at 30 frames per second for ultra-high-resolution footage, and 4K at up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion effects. The S-Cinetone color profile provides cinematic visuals straight from the camera, while 10-bit 422 color depth allows for greater flexibility in post-production. Improved heat dissipation and a full-size HDMI port support. Longer, uninterrupted recording sessions, making this camera a reliable choice for demanding video projects. Expanding creative options, the A7V introduces an AI-powered subject recognition system that tracks a wide range of subjects, including animals, birds, and vehicles. The upgraded electronic viewfinder features a 9.44 million OLED display for clear, responsive viewing, and the fully articulating touchscreen adds convenience for vlogging and self-recording. These innovations enhance usability and adaptability, supporting creators in diverse shooting scenarios. Supporting professional workflows, the A7V is equipped with dual UHS-2 SD card slots and a CF Express Type A slot for fast data transfers and reliable backup. Wireless connectivity is improved with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, enabling quick image transfers and remote control. The enhanced battery life allows up to 800 shots per charge when using the LCD, making the camera efficient for extended sessions, whether in the studio or on location. Bringing it all together, the Sony A7V stands out as a major advancement in mirrorless camera technology. Its blend of exceptional image quality, advanced autofocus, and robust video features is complemented by thoughtful design and durable construction. The addition of AI-powered subject recognition and an upgraded viewfinder further elevates the user experience, making the A7V a compelling choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. We invite you to share your impressions of the Sony A7V. Whether you're an experienced photographer or just beginning your creative journey, your feedback helps others make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this review, consider subscribing for more insights into the latest camera technology, and join the discussion in the comments below with your experiences and questions.